This is Tim here from Your Sick Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your deleted contacts on your Gmail using your Android phone. So just locate the Gmail app right here and open it up. So when you log into your Gmail, now we can go to allow notifications, or I'm going to go to don't allow. We can go up to the top left, scroll on down, and you can see contacts are listed down here. So we can go to contacts under here. And we go to allow here, allow. Wow, this should open up Google Contacts now. We can see how many contacts are on my account right here. And I can go to this and I can go to restore contacts back up from your Android device. So we can just restore them up to here if we want. Google Contact Sync. We go to settings and just make sure you have this contact sync turned on. We can go to sync right here. And we should be able to sync our account now with our phone. Then here's the trash. Recently deleted contacts are in here. So we can look. And we can just go to empty trash, or we can go to the contact here, and we should be able to recover it right here, or delete forever. So you can look at that and see if you want to delete those contacts forever or recover them. And then you should be able to get them back onto your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.